In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime, specifically the US version. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can enjoy all the fantastic benefits that come with a membership. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Amazon Prime page. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com/prime in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Amazon Prime homepage, where you can explore all the options available for joining this service. Now, if you don't already have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, but essential, as an Amazon account is necessary to subscribe to any of their services, including Prime. Look for the option to sign up and provide the required details, like your email and a secure password, to set up your account. Once you've set up your account or logged in with your existing credentials, you'll see an option that says Start Your Free 30-Day Trial. This is usually available to new users and gives you a whole month to explore all the perks without any cost. However, if for some reason the free trial isn't available, you can select a paid plan that suits your needs and budget. Amazon offers a few different payment options, whether it's a monthly or an annual plan, so you have the flexibility in selecting what works best for you. After choosing your plan, you'll need to select your payment method. Amazon accepts a variety of payment options, including major credit and debit cards, so pick the one that is most convenient for you. During this stage, you'll also be asked to confirm your billing and shipping addresses. This is important because, with Amazon Prime, you get access to some wonderful delivery benefits, and having the correct shipping details is crucial for making the most of those perks. Once you've completed the setup process by confirming your payment and address details, you'll immediately start enjoying all the great features Amazon Prime has to offer. This includes fast and free delivery on millions of items, access to exclusive shopping deals, and, of course, unlimited streaming of movies and TV shows through Prime Video. You'll also gain access to over 2 million songs on Prime Music and a selection of free games and loot with Prime Gaming, among other benefits. And that's all there is to it. By following these easy instructions, you're now an Amazon Prime member, ready to make the most of everything it offers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips. Enjoy your Amazon Prime experience.